Good afternoon, Standard 8, Subject English. Today we learn now 2.3 the poem The Little River on page number 37. Listen carefully and read at first part of the poem. Listen carefully. Scene. At dusk and dawn, once their bath is done, they dip oshcloths to trap small fish. To their household tasks the wives return, having used a river sand to score each dish. In Ashar, clouds gather, the waters rise, the rivers inspect, the current grows strong, the air is ripe and bubbling sounds as the muddy torrent swirls along. The woods onshore stir to life again, and our village wakens to celebrate the rain. Rabindranath Tagore. C. At dusk and dawn. At dusk and dawn. Once their bath is done. Once their bath is done in the river, they dip washcloths, small cloth for washing face. Small cloth for washing face. So we call it washcloths. To trap small fish with the help of this cloth, they trap for small fish. And to their household task, the wives return to complete their task, household task, and the wives return having used a river sand, to score means scrap each dish. In their end, they wash and clear each dish. In Ashar, name of the month in Marathi. In Ashar, clouds gather in the sky. At that time, the waters rise in the river. The rivers inspect a sudden flood in a river because there is rain, and a sudden flood in a river, the current grows strong. The current grows strong of the river, and the air is full of talking rapidly sounds. The air is full of with talking rapidly sounds. It creates rapidly sounds. At that time, as the muddy, rapid flow of water swirls along, and so the woods onshore near the river bank stir to life again, means become alive with sound and movement. Become alive with sound and movement again, and in this way our village wakens our village wakens to celebrate the rain. To celebrate the rain. So all village come and they celebrate the rain in this month. So we complete the part of the poem here. The poet is Rabindranath Tagore. So read it again and again to understand the poem. Next period we will learn a remaining part of the poem. So we stop